really short and simple, and I can't call it sweet, but काफ़ी short है, इतना short है कि मुझे फिर उसको पढ़ने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. So this week's question is this. Somebody asked me that how do we get over a heartbreak? I told you it's totally relatable, right? I'm sure that most of us would have at some point dealt with this question कि यार इस दर्द दिल से कैसे छुटकारा पाए. So let's discuss this and let's see what are the ways in which we can probably heal our heart. जैसे मैंने कहा, जितना शॉर्ट और स्वीट तो नहीं बोल सकती, बट जितना शॉर्ट ये क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर तो डेफिनेटली शॉर्ट नहीं है. So there are many ways to heal yourself from a heartbreak. Although I know it's a very painful experience, and to whoever is going through it, I am truly sorry that you're going through it. But remember one thing, that is, this too shall pass. Okay? तो सबसे पहला टिप तो ये है कि आपको ये याद रखना है कि ये फेज़ भी चला जाएगा. It is not going to stay there forever. So trust me, time heals, and so will you. Okay? Secondly, I know that it's easy to just curl up in bed and cry and howl, which is okay to do. But उसके लिए भी थोड़ा टाइम रखना, मतलब don't keep doing it for like the next 1 year. Okay, so keep in mind that it's okay to dwell in that feeling of being lonely and sad and all of that, but try to come out of it. Give yourself time of 1 week. Tell yourself कि इसके बाद मैं नहीं रोने वाली, या नहीं रोना तो फिर भी ठीक है, but don't isolate yourself from the world, okay? Because that's one of the most important steps to heal, which is to go out there and talk to people and meet friends, meet family members. That is very important. तो आपका जो वो फेज़ जब ख़त्म हो जाए कि आपने रो लिया और आप आपने काफ़ी टाइम घर पे स्पेंड कर लिया, तो आपका नेक्स्ट स्टेप ये होना चाहिए कि यू शुड गो आउट एंड मीट पीपल, टॉक टू देम, बिकॉज दैट डेफिनेटली हेल्प्स. ओके, दैट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप्स ऑफ हीलिंग. And the other thing is social media. Social media is good, okay, but there are in times like these, social media is not good because you are tempted to go and stalk your ex, and we've all done that. Okay, so but please wo stalking band kijiye. It is definitely not going to help you. So if it helps, you can probably mute him or her temporarily. And maybe once you've completely healed and gotten over him, you can revisit his profile. But please stay off his profile for some time, at least till you are okay and you feel that you're ready to get back in touch with him or whatever. But till then, don't keep any contact, and definitely stay off his social media. Stay off his or her social media, that is. And lastly, I want you to remember that this is not the end of the world. Okay, ये एक experience हुआ आपके life में, मगर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आगे के experiences भी ऐसे होंगे. So go with a positive mindset, and once you're ready, once you feel healed, and once you feel good about yourself, get out there and do things that you like. It could be like anything. Maybe you have certain hobbies that you would like to pursue. Do that. It definitely helps. Travel, meet people, go out on dates, do things that make you happy, because that's a very important step towards healing. And I just want you all to keep a positive mind and not lose hope, guys, because we learn from such experiences. So that's all I think I have for you. There are many more tips, but I'm sure फिर वो 2-3 episodes में चले जाएंगे. So I hope these tips helped you, and please do like, share and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Till then, bye and take care.